Come here. Are you a good boy? Are you a good boy? Yeah? Are you sure you're a good boy? Huh? Did you eat poop today, Fido? Did you eat poop? Uh-huh. I knew it. Where are you going with that milk jug? I have to rescue him. You can make it.
That's just mean. That's just mean. You're an evil cat. Who does that? Evil, evil kitty.
Hey, Shum! 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 Hey, Shum! Who's that? Hello!
Hey, I'm gonna look in this jar while you're not looking or anything. I'm gonna take a bigger peek. Oh! Yeah, he's going for the money. He's tumbling, fumbling, and he's gone.
Oh, kitty.
Oh, you like your waterproof.
Oh, there's one. What's he gonna do? What's he gonna do? He's jumping for it. Oh, you crazy little ferret. Oh, no, yep. He got it.
Outage. Power was restored before 9 o'clock. And snow removal remains a top priority for the city's Public Works Department today. Cleanup vehicles are working in high traffic areas and are sanding slippery sections. Motorists are being reminded to keep a safe distance, as Public Works Manager Greg Sikora explains.
Our crews are working out there hard 24 hours.
Ahoj, moje. Ahoj. No čo si robila doma? Ahoj. Nebudź męcza. Jesteś śmiech. No ahoj. So Mommy had to run out in the middle of the night to the all-night pharmacy, and she left the pup-ups at home for 10 minutes, and look at what happened. Maji, did you go in the garbage?
Your mama do it.